What if you could reach space not with a rocket but in a normal elevator? It sounds like science fiction, but this idea is real. It's been studied for over 100 years and it might actually change humanity forever. Can you imagine traveling to space not inside a rocket but calmly riding an elevator? This is the space elevator, a concept that once sounded completely absurd but could one day make space travel cheap, easy, and normal. If built, it would completely change how we reach orbit and slash the cost of space travel forever. But this dream didn't start with success. It started with laughter. In the 19th century, Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky first imagined a space elevator. People thought it was pure fantasy. No technology, no materials, no way. How could anyone build a structure that connects Earth directly to space? But Tsiolkovsky did the math. He imagined a strong, long cable anchored at geostationary orbit stretching from the ground all the way into space. A vehicle would climb up and down this cable carrying humans and equipment into orbit. His materials didn't exist yet, but his vision changed the future. For over 100 years, the space elevator remained impossible for one reason: no material was strong enough. Any cable would break under its own weight. Then came carbon nanotubes, ultralight, incredibly strong enough to potentially hold a full space elevator cable. Suddenly, science fiction started becoming real science. Scientists added better systems too: electromagnetic propulsion, stable designs, and energy-efficient systems. One by one, the problems started to disappear. The space elevator is more than just a cool idea. If we build it, space launch costs drop 10 to 100 times lower. Space travel becomes accessible to more people. Space stations, research, and exploration explode forward. Humanity enters a new era of space exploration. What was once mocked as a crazy, impossible dream is now one of the most hopeful ideas for our future among the stars. The craziest ideas today are often the ones that change the world tomorrow. If you love mind-blowing science and future tech, subscribe and follow for more amazing stories.